Oh, why is the mic on? No.
Oh my goodness, that was just too slow.
Google wanted to use my microphone. Hi, I am sick, and I am at school, and this is Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas. Vlogmas. Merry Christmas. Hi. Am I Emma Chamberlain yet? Okay. My toilet has been making sounds for like 5 minutes and I haven't even touched it. I walked in and then it's like pew and now it's like that. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if like there's a leak or something. Ah, my wrist itches. I'm a freaking pterodactyl, beach. Hi. Oh my god. I'm very red in the face because I'm overheating and I don't know why.
Can I eat all of these?
You might overdose and die. Well, when I die, because it feels like I'm going to. Make my funeral a party.
With 10 items with 1 pound.
No.
It shouldn't.
No, yeah, it did.
That
It did.
what?
That's the reason.
We're literally 10 minutes into this discussion and we haven't gotten anywhere. Send help. Hi y'all. I just used a Keurig.
You sure did. You should be damn proud of yourself.
I am.
You actually did something with your life. Shut up, you know it's true.
Okay, well, I'm making hot chocolate. Look at her. She's so pretty. Ooh. We gotta mix it up. Hot chocolate. Your girl is sick, so she needs comfort foods. This isn't a food. Comfort beverages. Okay, bye.
Sadie, are you actually in this hour?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You're dumb.
I'm just kind of like, you're here all the time.
Listen to this. Yes.
It tells me you can't, but I want to verify.
You're gonna drop your hot chocolate.
No! Welcome. It's like really good, really fresh, really good, really fresh, really good, really fresh. You know, kind of like it, kind of don't, kind of do. Kind of like it, it's kind of good, kind of nice, kind of good, kind of good for me, kind of.
In art, we have like these squad names, and today.
Canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that.
You asshole!
Stick your foot on there.
Just heading back over there. Hey, Falcons are gonna play the Green Bay Packers Sunday.
Maybe I should just wear my shirt, like it matches the gold.
Dance, Catherine.
Come see me perform.
What day is it? Thursday that I'm performing?
Thursday at 7 p.m.
Don't do it. I drew a penis on the window. You can't really see it.
I drew
And
vagina.
What did you draw?
Vagina.
You can't see that either.
Big V and the A. I tried to do it in
up so much now, so I'm
cursive
kind of
because
screwed.
my vagina is fancy.
Oh.
That's the tea, sis. That's the tea, sis.
This is the biggest ass drink without a straw.
Mom, can you hold it next to your face?
When I said large, I didn't want large as my head.
I want this.
Can you leave me alone now?
Oh, Mom, get
You're the next Jake Paul.
I want
You have something on your eye.
My baby?
All these are sugar substitute. Oh, pure sugar, thank God.
Hi. You what? Ow. We have a new friend.
Her name's Allison.
She works at IHOP.
She is so cute.
We
Might I add?
have to tip her well.
I brought cash.
Perfect.
I did not. I have cash, but
I have
Go work your pole and come back.
here. I'm tipping my tips that I earned yesterday. Someone.
Wow. She is
Should I give her my piece of gum?
she is so brave.
They're all ones because people just tip in ones.
She's our new best friend.
Pay it out of my
We love her. So if you come to IHOP in Chubbuck, hopefully she's working, and tip her well. Send her your best. She knows I'm Corey. She doesn't know the rest of them.
Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce myself.
Yeah.
Overachiever.
Peace out. Send you updates later on our new best
how many? Do you
on
want? How many?
on our new best friend.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
We love Legolas.
I love this boy who looks like a butterfly moth.
We loved our
7.
She's right there. We love her.
9.
She was the best. Yeah, she was the best ever, and so we're tipping her good, and we left her. We left her a cute little note. The cute little note says, "Hi, yes, this is toilet paper, but we love you and hope that you get that good Christmas shift. Thank you. You're kind of fun, kind of fresh, kind of good, kind of good, kind of fresh,
Kind of good, kind of gonna cry.
kind of like it, kind of love it.
Kind of love her.
I kind of love her. Yeah, so come to IHOP, and if you meet Allison, tell her we said hi.
Is her name Allison or Addison?
Allison.
This is on your receipt. Like hopefully not a morning shift.
Yeah.
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 Aren't they open all day?
Yeah.
On all night?
24 hours.
Oh. Who's gonna work while Santa comes? They're gonna see him.
That was a scandal.
Wow, that's the tea, sis.
Would you hurry the fuck up?
I'm done.
You know, you can do hard things. Do it! We believe in you.
Think I could just vault that rock?
In words of Josh Groban, if you just believe. See?
Wow. Okay. Oh, there's snow in your shoes, Sadie. Okay. This was Pam's idea.
You're holding the remote backwards, hon.
Okay.
It's gonna fly away.
I love you.
Hi. Baby.
Good, buddy.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave. Okay, we're listening to a really sad, depressing ass song by the 1975. It's called "Be My Mistake," because you know, girls just want to have fun.
You're so close to me, I love you.
And by fun, I mean
So close, I love you.
And by fun, I mean crying. Okay, so we just went to the gas station and bought some Star Crunch.
Shit.
Don't insult them. You haven't even tasted them.
She's never tasted, so insult her as much as you want.
Please. Wait, you gotta. Wait. I'm not ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It's
It
good.
tastes like my childhood.
Yeah, I like
Yes.
it. I
And
eat it
like
again.
your mom was too lazy to pack you lunch, so she would just like throw this in with like an apple and be like, "Okay, kid, go to school." And you'd be like, "Oh, my mom cared about me because she gives me sweets," and then you're really like, you're like a deprived child.
You do make me hard, but she makes me weak.
Me.
Matt Healy wrote that. Did you just lick my hair?
Yeah, your hair.
Okay. Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody has those days.
1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody gets that way. Yes, bitch. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Yes, bitch. Everybody knows that. When I talk about everybody gets that way. Yeah.
That happens to me all the time.
You gag a lot instead of
All
crying.
the time. I gag so much.
Do you guys want to do my outro because my YouTube video is trash?
Ready?
You know my outro, so.
Yeah. Like, subscribe, you know, leave a comment down below saying how awesome I am.
That was not right.
Like, comment, subscribe, unsubscribe, retweet, untweet. Post this on your mom's Tinder.
Tinder.
Wow, that is a solid
Grinder.
Post this on your dad's Grindr.
Oh gosh.
Yes.
That was.
You can't use that anymore.
Don't listen.
Please use it. Please do.
I'm using it. That's so dark.
Go to IHOP.
Go to IHOP. Say hi to Allison.
Yes, say hi
Tip
to
her
Allison.
well. We love her.
Yes. Please use that. Especially.
Send this to Spencer Mahonen and other trash children who shouldn't be preaching things. You know. You're canceled.
Send this to your.
The bell's ringing. Peace.
You're welcome.
Bye.